1936 Ford Deluxe Tudor Sedan Street Rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Included with this purchase is a matching trailer. In case you want to go to some street rod events, such as Good Guys, do a little traveling, you can carry some luggage and whatnot. Small block Chevy powered. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Kind of a, I guess I'd call it a maroon metallic as far as paint goes. This isn't all steel body. See, there's a little metallic in that paint. Take a look at the chrome up front, the grille. If you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website, where you can check out the undersides, interior, engine bay. You'll be able to see the trailer, inside of the trailer. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on Krager SS 5-spoke chrome wheels. Disc brakes behind there, just so you're aware of that. Did notice there is some blemishes in the paint down here from the hood latch or handle when it's being opened. Otherwise, paint shows pretty well in this street rod. Nice shine to it. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see, other than that one kind of spot I showed you, nothing for major nicks, dings, or scratches. Saddle colored interior, so nice combination with the burgundy metallic exterior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior. Stick around to the very end of this video and we are going to take this street rod for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you don't want to pull the trailer, you do have a trunk area and the hump back here for your local events or lawn chairs, what have you. This is a fiberglass trailer, so that would pull quite easily. Inside is kind of padded with a foam. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Like I said, Unique Classic Cars. Check out those still pics. Lighting incorporated into the trailer, kind of Frenched in. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. How about that? Matching Krager SS wheels in the trailer. Dual exhaust. You can take a look at the chrome bumper. If you're into these street rods, maybe just like older Fords or older cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or off our showroom floor. If you can make it see us in person, hey, that's always a bonus to us. Some custom etching in the glass. And driver's side, you can see the paint also shows well over here. It has a nice shine to it. Be a fun one for your hot rod shows or even your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Door panels done up nicely. Of course, the rubber protective running board cover. And then seats. Seat belts on the driver's side. Tilt column. Looks like we have video gauges. Let's fire that small block up. See turn signal indicators, high beam indicator, oil pressure popped right up. Voltmeter, water temp. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to go up. I believe the gas gauge works. It does go up and down from when I turned the key on and started it. 2 buttons on the dash. Fuel pump, pushed in is on. Fan, pushed in is on. Aftermarket stereo. I've had that power up, but I've not had it working, just so you're aware of that. Fresh air vent, panel underneath the dash, that does work. Nice sounding car. The seat belt back in there. Door latches nicely. Let's take a listen. A little rumble coming out of that exhaust. Good sounding car. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this 2 hood panels on this one and get a good look at the engine bay. There you can see the hood panels, both open. You can display it like this at a car show very easily. I do want to mention, new Edelbrock 4-barrel carb has just been installed on there. Chrome and bright work. Electric fan I was talking about. Push your fan up front. Again, small block Chev paired with an automatic transmission, turbo hydramatic, 350 to be exact. Headers. Slip around here to the driver's side so you can get a look. Smooth running, good sounding. And remember, Jason's going to take this for a drive at the very end of this video. 1936 Ford Deluxe Tudor Sedan, street rotted, includes the trailer, matching. Good looking setup. Have some fun with this. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1936 Ford Tudor. Lots of room in the back. This would have a full seat in the back to bring your family with you on a hot rod trip. This is an automatic right here on this long shifter on the floor, so it's super easy to drive. Our turn signal indicators are working. Nice rumble to this car. You can see the steering wheel is tilted a little to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all on the road. Our tachometer right in the center is working well. Temperature is showing about 150. That may still be rising. The fuel gauge is reading 1/8 of a tank. We're doing 60 miles an hour according to the speedometer, and the oil pressure is 60 pounds, and the volts are over 14, so that looks good. Nice quiet ride. Comfortable bucket seats that touch each other. What would you call that? A bucket bench? They are bucket seats. In the back we have a bench seat for passengers. Brakes are working very well. Steers easily. Corners nicely. Very comfortable car to drive. Good visibility. Nice interior, vinyl. Headliner matching the doors, matching the seats. Darker carpet. Really good looking car. Take a look at the pictures. See for yourself what you think at uniqueclassiccars.com.